Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just on the block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now, see me in person and won't say a word. I think.
Alright, YouTube. Now we back at it again with another video, no cap. So look, in today's video, we finna go ahead, finna doing what we need to do to get this car road ready. So I'm probably gonna end up painting today. I don't know. This probably gonna be this video of me getting it painted. So I'm finna go ahead and do the little, the little things that you need to do. Let me see if my camera dirty. There we go. Do what we need to do to go ahead and get this ready to get put back on the road. So of course, first thing that you always want to do is look around and see if all the lights working on the car. Pretty much all mine is, except the turn signals. And we're doing a little upgrade today. So matter of fact, this is the video we're gonna do today. We're gonna go ahead and do this little upgrade video and show y'all the difference between LED lights and halogen lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this unboxing real quick. Take this out there, and this for Amazon. Cheap lights from Amazon, but they make the world of a difference. So let me go ahead, pull these out the box, and then we're gonna cut the camera back on. We back lit, no cow. All right, so let me go ahead and show y'all what's going on. We got the turn signals, and we got the, as you can see, we got the Cobra front bumper swap. I got both of those, honestly. These are turn signals, these are lights for the fog lights. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the lights look like as is, So we give y'all a good comparison. I wish it was nighttime so I can go ahead and give y'all one. But I'm work what I get. I'm gonna get some new headlights too, so as you can see, they got the fog lights. These lights you can even barely see because my lens tinted. You can barely see those. And it's middle of the daytime, so we're finna go ahead, do a quick swap on these and see what the difference is. So as you can see, they just right there. You ain't got to do too much to get to them. Right here. And then I should be able to get to my fog lights. Right there. So I'm finna go ahead, cut these off because these halogens get hot quick. So I'm finna go ahead. I wish I had my tripod stand. I could go ahead and do this for y'all. So you give a quick turn and then pop out. Let's see. You have a quick turn and pop out. Is it hot? Yeah, these things get hot quick. So I'm gonna sit there like that. I just use my t-shirt. Should be able just to pop out. Oh dang, it came out. Alright, hold on. Just that quick. All you do is you pull this and then pull right out. We're gonna go up in here. Open this. I'm trying to see you go to new bulbs. I wonder what this is. Let me see. Let's see. What did they include in here on Amazon? Yeah. That's what I needed. I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna do these a little bit later. I ain't even think they was gonna come with those. So, yeah, this is the LED resistors. I'm gonna have to buy 2 more for the back. But yeah, that's those. All you gotta do is pull these out the package. Got me acting brand new. Now they don't want to put them on. They put these in 2 of them. And then they had different colors too. They had like a 200% brighter. I chose the 600 because look at it. Look how it's made. Now if these don't be good, I'm gonna be real disappointed. But how disappointed can I be when they just Amazon lights? So all you do is literally is pop them back in. Boom, just like that. Make sure they pushed in. Slide this back in there. Yes, sir. Just that simple. Slide this back up in there. They just want to fight me, don't it? Slide this back up in there. Ain't nothing but a quick twist and turn. So, I think we can use that. See, boom, got it in. Twist it in. So since I got one in, we finna go ahead and see what the difference is. Let's see. Boom, there we go. Back in the tail. My headlight then came out. Let's see. Boom. As you can see, major difference between LED and let me see, I'm gonna turn the hazards on because I know the hazards for sure. Put the car off on. Yep, so can't no police say they don't see those. Let me darken it up for y'all so y'all can see the full effect. Yep, and see, I don't even think that one working, so let me go ahead and cut these back off. You can see these real good. Because I'm going to get me a new set of these. When I get me a new set of those, you're going to see that real good. It's going to be even better. So let me go ahead and finish. Well, oh, let's see what it looks like now. Yeah, definitely can see them on. And crazy thing is, $10. You go to AutoZone, they're going to charge you twice that for just halogens. So let me go ahead and swap the other one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the fog lights look, the LED fog lights. So let me go ahead, finish swapping that, and I'm gonna turn the camera back on ASAP. All right, y'all, so we done put the first fog light in. Now we're gonna see what this look like. Now from here, I can't tell if the halogens are doing better. I mean, if the LEDs are doing better than the halogens, but off rip, I can already tell you that I like to look at those anyway, you know what I'm saying? So regardless of how those end up turning out, I like the way the LED look compared to those. And I think this one is adjusted a little bit different, that's why it might look like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those swapped. And now that I look at it, with these, I probably should have got the switchbacks. I might still end up doing that depending on how I like it. I might end up putting the switchbacks in those too. Yeah, that might be what I do. I already bought these, so I'm probably just gonna sell them to somebody and then just get switchbacks for those. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish the other fog light, and then we can go ahead and get ready. Y'all can go ahead and be ready for the next video. And we can go ahead and see what this car gonna look like painted. Alright, y'all, so here go the full LED replacement kit. And this is what it's looking like. No cap, so the sun it's kind of some clouds in the sky, so as y'all can see a little bit better. I ain't gonna lie, but I kind of like this. I need to go ahead and paint it so I can see what it's gonna look like when in its full effect. Because once it's painted, I can see it white. Cause maybe it's just the black. I like the white on white, but I don't know. When I finish going ahead and paint it, I might go ahead and I might end up liking it like this. So since I got all the clothes, I can close that. See again. Don't look bad. LED look like they might be doing good too, so we just gonna have to wait till nighttime, and then I could go ahead and show y'all what this look like. But you can for sure tell these amber lights, they looking good, so that's what it's looking like right now. Now I'm finna go ahead, finish sanding this, and then we're gonna go ahead and take it to go get painted. That's all that's left. My little rear ring spoiler finally starting to give out a little bit. The tape starting to, yeah, it ain't got that much stickiness to it no more, so go ahead and pull that off. We're gonna replace the 3M tape on this. Probably scratch the rest of that off, then replace this. The RTP looked like it was still holding though. Do that after I clean the windshield, so I can make sure that 3M tape got some clean to stick on too, so I can take this in the house. I can feel that heat in. Cause when I first got this thing, it was stiff, so finally got that done. I'm gonna do that a little later. I'm gonna leave it black though. Let's see what it looks like without it. Hold on. Let's see what it looks like without it. It's look alright, you know. I just feel it to give it that little bit, that little teensy more of a appeal. So it's definitely going back on. I'm gonna leave it black. I'm not gonna paint it. So yeah, let me go ahead, swap my clothes real quick, and then we can go ahead, get back to that. No cap. Woo. Alright, y'all. So I done spent the last, as you see, well, just sanding this sunroof. And I ain't gonna lie, like I said over here, I don't really strive for perfection. I strive for getting it done, you know what I'm saying? Being able to try for your first time, because everybody ain't professional. So I'm just showing everybody that, hey, it might not be perfect, but anybody can do anything as long as you put your mind to it. So I'm gonna turn around, show y'all what the top of the sunroof looking like. And no cap, we finna go ahead and get ready to start painting. As y'all see how the chain goes, so you know I'm working, no cap, working hard. So let me turn the camera around and show y'all what I'm working with it. 1, 2. All right, y'all, so here we go. As y'all see, we got dust everywhere. But here go the sunroofs. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it ain't perfect. We got some waves in it. It ain't even. But as long as you happy with what you do, it don't matter what nobody else got to say. I always wanted a sunroof in this car, and I wasn't finna let nobody charge me $1,200 to do something that I ain't gonna say I know how to do, but I know I'm capable of doing it. So, as you see, boom, we got that. Still got a spoiler. And guess what? We got one at work. So as y'all can see, we got us a sunroof that's functional, that work. I gotta still figure out these drains so I can make sure it don't leak in the car. Like I said, as y'all see, we got a sunroof and a Crown Vic put in by me. And anytime somebody asks me, bro, how you get a sunroof in the Crown Vic? Guess what you could tell them? I did it myself. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. I know it still got like some pinholes like right here. I don't know if you can see them or not. Like right here. But regardless, I don't care. Cause it's gonna be black anyway, so you might not even be able to see it that bad. You know what I'm saying? Crown Vic paint already be bad, cause this was a, as you can see. Hold on, let me clear the camera. As you can see, it was a performance white, so as you can see, paint was chipping everywhere. But it's gonna give the car a little character, you know, make people remember what these cars made of. So we finna go ahead. I'm finna clean up this back windshield. Probably gonna give me some double-sided tape so I can put my rear spoiler back on. And now we finna go wash the car so we can go ahead and get ready to paint it, cause I'm ready to see what this car look like, man. You know what I'm saying? It's been a while since I done had a car. I took the vents out. I made the hose a little bit wider, you know, so it got a little bit more heat. Get up out of there. I need to figure out if I can put a cap on some of this stuff so water don't get on it. But other than that, as you see, we got the sunroof in. It's nice and sandy. Now all we finna go do is go wash the car. So next time I see y'all, we gonna be coming out the car wash, no cap. So I gotta redo my calipers, spray paint a little bit. But as you see, we're getting this thing all ready. We 3 days in. I need to give me a new door and a new fender on the other side. Then I'll be good on the body work. Like, I probably need a driver door too, but we gonna figure all that out. That's gonna be in the process. So that's where we at right now, and I'm gonna see y'all at the car wash.
Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Bitch, on the block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas